Welcome back, 26 Acres Outdoors. Today we're going to do talking about little snowplow equipment. I'm going to show you my homemade pusher box for the skid steer and show you how it works. And no, I did not make it, but somebody did. And it's very simple. It is not the prettiest looking thing, but it works rather well. It's a 7.5 foot Fisher. Older one, there's a little rot hole it should fix, but it doesn't really affect it. 7.5 foot Fisher, the old school one, and you basically just run the pistons to your controls. That part's not complicated. But then somebody welded it all up, a little A-frame to it, welded some sides, and inside we've got cross braces. It's, like I said, it's got the full trip on the bottom, and that's definitely a bigger edge on it. And it does push rather well. And somebody was even nice enough, they even made a little step, get up in the machine. This particular unit has not gone on any job sites. I just don't need it, so I use it around the shop at the present time. And today, I already did down by the gate. I did around where the propane tank is. And today I'm gonna show you how it works. We're gonna clean up the back lot over here on our John Deere 324G. It's a 2020. I love that machine. I have nothing bad to say about it. Let's get to it. Show you how it works. I actually got this for free from a good friend of mine, Dino. Dino Tedesco. I'm sure you're going to watch this one. It's been 3 days after the storm, but it's going to rain, and I just want to get it all cleaned up. And yeah, he wasn't using it. He was tired of fighting with people on Facebook about it, trying to buy it, and he let me have it to use, either for whatever I need it for, and then when I'm done with it, we're going to sell it. But it is pretty sweet. I do like it. But all we did was use the machine this last big storm to move some piles. It does not have a lot designated to it with the pusher box. Not this year. All right, let's get to it. Show you how it does. Ah! All right, let's get to it. Show you how this thing pushes. Is going to do some filming. Set up the tripod, and we'll hopefully get some good angles. And I'll have the GoPro and the skid steer.
Well, that was a close one.
right, that's how she works. Not bad at all. A little faster than with my truck. You know, it's millings. It's all millings back here. It's uneven. It's not like it's on pavement, but does a good enough job jockey things around back here. So that's that. A couple of snow plows, a couple little piles to pick up. That's it. We're good to go now. But that's how she works. Not super fancy, but gets the job done. All right. Hope you enjoyed that.
Make sure to subscribe to our notification bell, like this video, and comment down below if you have any questions.
All right. We'll have some more snow plowing, I hope. Got some other things up my sleeve. Catch you next time.